Hey guys, hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe. Hey, so today I just want to bring you a quick little informative video. Some of you probably already heard about this. It came out 2 days ago. It's a letter being sent to all Honda dealers, and it has to do with the chip shortage, of course, and then how COVID's kind of messed a lot of stuff up here. But they're saying that Honda's going to start shaving production on some of the models starting in September. And they said that dealers will be able to get about 40% less than what they normally want. So the letter did bring out that some of the models are safe from this. They bring out their big sellers. The Pilot and Passport won't be affected, so they'll be at full production for those models. But as you guys know, the way things are right now, the sedan market is kind of dying off, and everything's going to trucks, SUVs, CUVs. So point being that if you guys are wanting to jump into a new Accord, Civic, I would say sooner the better, only because as we've seen, it gets worse and worse, and a lot of dealers are charging sticker, and some dealers even putting markups on just your average car, nothing special either. So I would say sooner the better, since this starts in September, so a few days from now, and it'll be harder and harder to get your car. So if you're like me and you want like a certain color combo, trim, all that kind of stuff, it's going to be a lot harder to do. Where before, you can go on the lot and find a ton of different vehicles and choose from probably 2 or 3 of the same identical ones. That's what I've always done in the past. Well, now it's going to be hard to find one, even in your area. And most dealers aren't trading right now. If they have a car, they're going to stick with it, because a lot of cars are valuable because you have a lot of buyers and not that many vehicles. So just want to share that with you if you haven't already heard that. And like I said, this is just a couple days ago that they're telling dealers that you're going to get about 40% less than what you order on most of the sedans. The letter does specify that the Pilot and Passport are safe. So if you guys want an SUV, you're probably pretty good on there. But as far as like the Civics, sedans, might have some issues. It did also bring out, though, that the 2022 Civic hatchback, they're going to go through with production on that. So that's good, because that was something that they were thinking about kind of delaying. But it does say specifically that it is underway for the 2022 Civic hatchback, and is planned in late September. And that's going to be assembled at Honda's plant in Greensburg, Indiana. So I just want to share that quick information with you guys. Like I said, who knows when this will all turn around. Not only the chip shortage, but the whole COVID thing is shutting production down. So I've even seen it really hard to get parts now. You try to get parts, they're back orders. You have to wait weeks to try to find them. So it's hard to say that. It's hard to know for sure what the future holds. But if you want to get a new car, I would say start looking now, as far as waiting another 8 months, because it's going to get harder and harder to find your car, especially, like I said, if you're stuck on certain colors and all that kind of stuff. So again, nothing huge, but definitely if you're in the market, something to reconsider as far as getting a new car. Okay, so I appreciate all your guys' support. I really do. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. I'll have another video coming up shortly, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks, everybody.